Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: file type, account, and network. Open Google Drive in an updated Chrome window or incognito. This isolates extensions and cached errors. Once signed out and back in, try previewing the same file. If it still fails, clear the browser cache and reload Drive. Make sure to keep cookies so your session persists. These steps remove local blockers quickly and tell you whether the problem is client-side or tied to the file itself. Now handle more complex causes. Extensions can hijack preview behavior, so disable them and retry. Download the file to verify it opens locally. If it doesn't, re-export or recreate a clean copy and upload that version. For documents and spreadsheets, convert to Google formats to use Drive Preview reliably. If MIME types are wrong, resave from the source app to correct metadata. These steps address file-level and browser extension problems that finish by isolating environment differences. Open the file in the Drive mobile app or another machine to see if preview works elsewhere. Make sure sharing permissions aren't preventing preview, and if you're on a workspace account, confirm admin policies aren't blocking file viewers. If preview still fails, download the file as a fallback so you can access content immediately, and then report the issue to Google with the file ID, steps tried, and screenshots. This speeds official resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.